Hey everyone, it's Jeff at Opus IVS. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I'm standing here with a good friend of mine, Brian Kelly. He's the owner of Velocity Collision Centers here in Las Vegas, Nevada. So if you guys ever get into an accident, make sure you come see Brian over at Velocity Collision Centers. I promise you, you won't be disappointed. Brian, thanks for having Opus in the shop. We greatly appreciate you.
Hey, I appreciate you, Jeff. Opus helps us out tremendously on the daily basis, right from repair planning all the way to post-scanning and delivering the car. We check the car in, it gets scanned, we find out right then, right at repair planning, that if we have an issue with radars, parking sensors, any other mechanical issues, we know it right up front. It helps us to give a better time frame to our customer.
Use an ADAS map.
Use an ADAS map. Again, we can go right through ADAS map. It tells exactly what to do. Hyperlinks go right to the repair instructions. It just streamlines the whole process.
Cool, cool.
It's a tool that we can't live without.
And we got you guys set up a quick ADAS, so that should help speed things up so you can get those calibrations done on your time when you want to get them done. And if quick ADAS doesn't work for whatever reason, without leaving that screen on the drive safe, you're able to revert right over to the OE calibration and scan at the same time.
Absolutely.
Right,
Makes everything streamlined and quick, especially with quick ADAS. It's just push a couple of buttons, let the machine do its thing, you're done. Car's going home. It's a tool we just can't function without.
This is going to help get everything together, so there's going to be less supplements, consistent pricing, right?
Absolutely.
And you're done in-house and everything's ready to go, and it's
customers happy, they get their car on time. And the biggest and most important thing is, with Opus and Drive Safe, we know when we're done, the car is programmed right directly to factory OEM spec, just like if we took it to the dealership or they did the manufacturer plant. I mean,
clean bill of health,
clean bill of health,
safe, ready to go home.
I know the car when it leaves. I know that I can put my kids in it and know they're going to be safe. So I know whoever's family is getting in that car when they leave here, those folks are safe, and I don't have anything to worry about. That's what's most important.
That's awesome.
And that's what Opus allows us to do, man. It's a godsend. Thanks.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Appreciate you, man.
I
appreciate you always. So guys, if you're looking for collision repair and you guys are in Las Vegas, make sure you come see Brian, ask for him personally. He will talk to you. He's down to earth, super cool. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to the channel and stick around because I'm going to show you around Velocity coming up.